On Tuesday, September 26, 2023, overall the markets today were negative. The Dow Jones was down almost 400 points, minus 1.14%, to finish the day at 33,618.88. The NASDAQ was down almost 210 points, minus 1.57%, to finish the day at 13,063.61. The S&P 500 was down almost 65 points, minus 1.47%, to finish the day at 4,273.53. Dow sheds nearly 400 points in worst day since March as economic worries return. Expect an upwards bias in the markets for the next 24 hours. Expect a risk-on environment the next 24 hours where the New Zealand dollar will have a strong bias to the upside and the Swiss franc will have a strong downward bias. The strongest currency pair over the next 24 hours with a strong upward bias will be the New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc, followed in second place with a downward bias the Euro dollar, Canadian dollar, and in third place with an upwards bias as the Australian dollar. Japanese yen. Remember, this information is not trade advice but to be used for educational purposes only. Good trading. As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.